Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily check your energy curve on the XPeng car. So this is for every single XPeng vehicle. All you guys need to do is go over into the car icon right here and make sure that you're in the vehicle section. Here we will have our energy curve and we can check it for about 2.5 kilometers, 20 and 100. Also, you can check it since the start, but it takes some time and sometimes it may not load. Here, as you guys can see, we can check that our average energy consumption of the recent 100 kilometers is 16.6 kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers. So here you guys can easily check it out. Here you have 4 options. And that's it for the video. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.